Welcome back everyone. So in this lecture, I have my front end folder opened over here. Let's say over here. I will run my front end application so that we can move on to the actual task. So for this, I will write npm start to start our front end application. From the first lecture, you already know that our front end will be running on port number 4200. So I will write over here, and this is our front end application. So what we want to do is to intercept this area and show our products over here. Right now we do not have any products over here. So I'll just go back, and in order to create or show the products here, I need to know that what this page is expecting. So because I already know that on front end an area of object is being expected here with certain values, I will just show you what values it is looking for. For that, I will just clear out all these things that we had previously created. And here I will write app.use, and in here I will use something extra, and that is the endpoint for this request. So I will write API/stuff as our endpoint for the requests. And now I will create my arrow function. In here, I'll write request, comma response, and the next as usual. And here I will create an stuff const stuff, and this is the stuff that we want to show over here in this. So for these stuffs, we will be sending the values of ID. Let's make it anything. So it is expecting a title as well for the product. I'll write product1, and its description is also being expected by our front end. So I'll write this is our first product, and then image URL, and let's write HTTPS. Some royalty free images can be obtained from pixel.photos/ let's make it 300, and then price, let's make it 4,900 euros, and finally user ID, that's the user ID. Let's create one more product. So I'll just copy this one, put it over here, change the ID of the product to description, change the image, change the price. Let's say our user ID is the same as the previous one. So our stuff is created now. Now it's time to send the response. So I'll write response.status. Let's make it 200 for the successful response, and send a JSON of this stuff. So I'll write stuff here, save it, and there you see on our backend we have got the array. How about in our front end? Let's maximize this one. Let's go back, click over here, and check. We don't see our products on our front end. The only reason is the course policy. So cross origin resource sharing policy is blocking the request. The only reason is that the port for the front end is 4200, and here it is 3000. So the origin and the ending point are different, which is why it is showing us a problem of cross origin resource sharing. In order to remove this problem, I'll need to put on some headers using user statement. So I will come over here and just copy and paste my code. So I have just pasted my code over here, and you would see that we are allowing the access control from all origins, allowing all headers, and we are also allowing all the methods from the cross origin. And let's just save it. Coming back over to our front end, let's click on part 1+2, and there you see our products, product 1 and product 2. If I click on product 1, so this is the individual product page, and you will see here the ID of the product that we had set over here, but this is actually not working yet because we haven't worked on it, and therefore you won't see any description or image, and you won't be able to modify or delete anything at all yet.